Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your macOS language to Portuguese. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing we're going to do is go down to our system dock and go ahead and left click on the system preferences button. So again, go ahead and left click on that to open it up, and then select the language and region button. Underneath preferred languages, go ahead and select the little plus button down here. And then you can go ahead in the search field, start typing in Portuguese, it should automatically come up. And again, you can select the local or regional dialects. I'm just going to select the Portuguese version of Portuguese. And then I'm going to select add. I'm going to select use Portuguese. And there you go, guys. You should restart your computer. Just make sure all the changes take effect. If you don't restart, there might be a couple of issues, but you can see it already has taken effect in some regards already, which is very good. So again, restart your computer and then hopefully that should be about it. And if you ever want to revert back to English or whatever the secondary language is here, you can just go ahead and just drag and drop the second language to the front of the list, which will then switch everything back over to English. Again, restart your computer just to make sure everything takes effect, of course. And if you decide you want to remove the secondary language, it is as easy as just left clicking on it and then selecting the minus button down here to delete it. So again, very straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.